Hello, welcome to the Forex AI Signals, your #1 YouTube channel for daily Forex signal. Our Forex quote by Joe Vidic: limit your size in any position so that fear does not become the prevailing instinct guiding your judgment. Trading signal for April 10, 2023. Strategy. Price action AI. Major confluence, smart money concept, demand, and supply zone. Technical analysis. Higher time frame, entry opportunity. Lower time frame, currency pair. Gold/USD. Trading bias. Sell/short. Entry price. 1998.370 for conservative trader. 2001.270 for aggressive trader. Stop loss. 2012.402. Take profit 1. 1988.272. Take profit 2. 1975.452. You can add a trailing stop of 25 pips to your trade. However, it's entirely optional. The trade signal is valid till the end of the trading day and powerful for scalpers, intraday or swing traders. It is suitable for your individual or prop firm account by applying proper risk management. A sell order for Gold/USD is an instruction given by an investor or trader to sell a specific amount of the Gold/USD trading pair in the financial markets. When an investor places a sell order for Gold/USD, they are essentially selling gold while buying US dollars, with the expectation that the value of gold will decrease in relation to the US dollar in the future. If the price of gold falls, the investor would then be able to buy back the same amount of gold with fewer US dollars, making a profit. A sell order for Gold/USD can be placed through a broker who offers trading services in this pair. The order can be executed in various ways, such as through a market order, limit order, or stop order, depending on the trader's preference. It's important to note that trading the Gold/USD pair carries risks, and traders should always have a well-defined trading plan and risk management strategy in place. Investors should also stay informed about the latest economic and political developments that may affect the price of gold or the US dollar, as well as any factors that may affect the demand and supply of these assets. The content is for informational purposes only. You should not construe any such information or other material as investment, financial advice. Nothing contained on our video constitutes a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. We expressly recommend that you seek advice from a professional. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more daily Forex signals latest by 9 p.m. EST. Kindly join our free Telegram channel from the description. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your pips.